Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram Reels watch history. So this is basically a new feature available in the newest versions of Instagram. So if you do not have this feature, you need to update your app in order to stay up to date with this feature. So basically, first of all, we need to open Instagram and go to your profile, clicking on your profile button in the bottom right corner. And here from your profile, you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So that is how we go to the settings and activity. And from here, you need to scroll down just a little bit until you will find your activity button and click on it. Now, as we are on our activity, we need to scroll down to the end until we will see how you use Instagram section and button called Watch History. So if you click on it, you will basically see your watch history on Instagram. Here is all the posts, all the reels you watched recently. So you can sort them, as you can see, from newest to oldest or from oldest to newest. You can see some certain dates if you want, so for example past week, past month, and of course you can sort it by authors if you want. So basically that is it. That is how you can see your Instagram Reels watch history. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.